What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to install IP or network printer on your Mac computer. Before we do that, I would recommend downloading from manufacturer website driver for a Mac. So in this case I'm going to be downloading for Brother HL2140 driver for Mac. I'm going to go to their website, and right here you need to choose your version. If you don't know which version you're running, what you can do, if you click on the left top on the Apple logo and then click on About This Mac, and right here you can see which version you're running. I'm running 10.13. So right here I'm just gonna leave it 10.13 and I'm gonna click OK. And then I'm just gonna download the driver, so printer driver, and accept. Okay, it's downloading right now. Once download is complete, we need to extract the file, so just click on it and then double click on this package and then click continue, agree, and then install. And then it's going to prompt you for your credentials, and then click install software, and then you can click on close, and then you can keep the file or move to trash. I'm just going to move it to trash, and I'm going to close this window. Then we need to go to System Preferences. In System Preferences, double click on Printers and Scanners, and right here we need to click on a plus sign. So right here there's a couple options. For this tutorial I'm going to download printer that is hooked up to my server, but you can also use an IP printer. So I'm going to click on Windows. Right here I'm going to choose Workgroup, and right here I'm going to choose Server. Now it's going to prompt for credentials. Now I need to put my credentials here, and right here I'm going to click Remember, and I'm going to click Connect. Once you connect to the server, you can see all the printer that's available on a server. I have only one. I'm going to click on it, and then right here choose a driver. I'm going to click Select Software, and in this pop-up window we need to choose our printer. Right here, this is it. I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to click Add. Okay, printer is installed, and now we can verify the printer. I'll go to Applications. I'm just going to launch Text Edit, and in here I'm just going to type Testing Printer, and then I'm going to click on Command and P, and right here choose your printer. Mine is set up by default, and then you can click on Print. And now I can hear printer is already trying to print. Alright, perfect. It did print. Test successfully. Hopefully this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And once again, thanks for watching.